equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on appliance repair. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to diagnose and fix common appliance issues. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. First, gather your toolkit. You'll require a screwdriver set, pliers, a multimeter, and a vacuum cleaner for internal cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep everything organized. Now, let's dive into the first step, diagnosing the problem. Start by unplugging the appliance to ensure safety. Check for any visible signs of damage, such as frayed wires or loose connections. If you're unsure about the diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, let's focus on cleaning the appliance. Dust and debris can cause significant issues. Use your vacuum cleaner to remove any dirt from vents and internal components. This simple step can often resolve performance issues. Once cleaned, it's time to inspect the internal parts. For most appliances, you'll need to remove the back panel. Use your screwdriver to carefully unscrew the panel, keeping the screws in a safe place. If you find any loose connections or damaged components, take note of them. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. Now, let's address any faulty parts. If you've identified a broken component, it's crucial to replace it with the correct part. Check the model number of your appliance and order the replacement part online or from a local supplier. Before reassembling, double-check all connections. Use your multimeter to test electrical components for continuity. This ensures everything is functioning correctly before you put the appliance back together. Once you've confirmed that all parts are in good condition, it's time to reattach the back panel. Remember to secure all screws tightly to avoid any rattling or further issues. Now, plug the appliance back in and test it. If it's still not working, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. In summary, appliance repair can be straightforward with the right tools and knowledge. Always prioritize safety, and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. With our services, you can enjoy no calls, no travel, and the convenience of expert assistance right at your doorstep. Happy repairing! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.